So, got our first catfish today. Pretty small, can't touch it. I think these sting. I'm not sure, but nice. Nick just caught a camera.
Caught a second BGG.
Show them.
They're hella big.
Yeah. Show them, you gotta hold like this. Another catfish, really small. Alright, while I'm walking, I'm looking for some nice open spots. Like right here doesn't seem too bad. But I'm afraid of this tall grass and all these trees I can't really cast, so I'm just gonna keep going. So I got my camera here. Not too bad. Just good enough to make videos. But I'm gonna try to find a nice spot so I can catch right here, because it's just a pretty nice spot right here. Right here. There's a ton of bees though. No idea why, but a ton of bees. Even a bird. Could you imagine just like walking over here thinking, and then you just slip in bush right in the water, but then there's a ton of bees? Jesus. Oh, I just got a bass. Oh, he got away. There we go, I got him again. There we go. Pull him up. Yes, I got a bass. Yes, on camera, let's go. Let's freaking go. Oh my goodness. Look at this amazing bass. Looks like about I'll say like 12 inches. Not bad, amazing fish. It was right in front of me. I'll just go ahead and drop my pole. Amazing bass, guys. Look at this. Perfect size burrito, I guess you could say. Look at the size. Beautiful size. Beautiful bass. Alright, time to let this bad boy go. Amazing bass. One more cast. There we go. There we go. There we go. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, guys. Guys, with another bass. Amazing bass. We're going pound bass for bass. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. This is actually amazing. Oh, he bent. Oh my. Let me set the rod down. Oh no. Oh! This is an absolute beast. Look at it. Look at the size of this stick. Comparison. Oh! This is amazing. This is freaking amazing. So this bass, for the measurement of my rod, I say he is about, whoo, yes, he is definitely over 18. This is definitely a 20 incher. Whoa, let's freaking go! I gotta take a picture with it. Come on, post up with it. All right, amazing freaking bass. All right, let me get a quick review. Amazing bass. All right.